Welcome to Devon Creek Cottages, a close-knit community in the heart of Lancaster, Pennsylvania, where custom floor plans are tailored to elevate your lifestyle. Explore a diverse range of cottage floor plans like the Livingston Manor, highlighting the unique character and appeal of first floor living with a beautiful open layout. Devon Creek features a state-of-the-art clubhouse, providing endless opportunities to connect, unwind, and gather with neighbors. Whether you're hitting the gym or lounging by the pool, our community offers something for everyone to enjoy. Our dedicated team will guide you through the new home construction process, ensuring that every detail in your home reflects your individual needs and preferences. Lancaster boasts a plethora of top-rated restaurants awaiting exploration. From the local flavors of Gracie's on Main to the mouth-watering pizzas of Finazzo's Italian restaurant, each venue offers a unique dining experience. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the local rail trails and embrace the vibrant art and culture scene in downtown Lancaster. Visit iconic landmarks like the Lancaster Science Factory, the Demuth Museum, and the historic Fulton Theater. Enjoy a convenient commute to major highways, top-rated schools, and bustling shopping centers here at Devon Creek. Begin your new home journey with the Cottages at Devon Creek, where every floor plan is designed to fulfill your dreams of comfortable, luxurious living.